guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Gypsy Escape. My name is Annie, and if you are new to this channel, please take a moment to subscribe and to hit the notification bell button to be notified each time a video is uploaded on my channel. So what I have actually realized, the reason of more vlogs on my channel is this is more of my comfort zone, being raw and real. I think जब वो मैं सेटअप में बैठ के शूट करती हूँ ना, it is a robotic kind of feeling for me. No doubt कुछ वीडियोस के लिए बहुत important होता है वो, where it may be monthly favorites या something, but what I am going to try is कुछ वीडियोस जो vlog में ही shoot मैं कर सकूँ and at the same time providing the information जो मैंने सोची हुई है. So as you can read by the title, today I'll be talking about menstrual cups, taking you throughout the day, how they are performing, कोई uneasiness तो नहीं होती, doing all the activities, even working out. So today is day 3 of me on my periods, and 2 दिन मेरे अंदर बिल्कुल हिम्मत नहीं थी शूट करने की because I was having so much pain because I don't know, last month मुझे ठीक से periods आए नहीं. So इस बार जो था flow बहुत ज़्यादा था and I was like screaming out of pain. Also, I'll be answering few of your questions. मैंने इंस्टा के ऊपर क्वेश्चनर डाला था that you can ask any questions you have related to menstrual cups and I'll answer them. Now it's around 10:30 and I have logged in for my work. I'll just get started with the day. कप जो था, so I'll just start telling you कि अभी क्या situation है. So the menstrual cup has been put for around 10 hours हो चुके हैं, and because it is day 3, so 10 hours is enough because इतना ज़्यादा flow नहीं है. पहले 2 दिन जो था I had to change it after every 5 to 6 hours, and अब जो है आई नो कि अभी when I'll take it out तो इतना ज़्यादा कोई लीकेज नहीं होगा. या आई हैव इवन स्लेप्ट विद वाइट पैंट्स. ये वाली वाइट पैंट्स नहीं है, कल मैं वाइट पैंट्स के साथ सोई थी. सो देयर हैज़ बीन नो लीकेज व्हाटसोएवर. आई हैव टेकन आउट द कप and being on the 3rd day I'm good to go for a few minutes. I can talk about this before inserting it. Moreover, I have to take a bath, and the reason I have taken it out is just to show you guys the cup and also sanitize it to tell you कि किस तरह से इसको sanitize करके we have to use. Now while you are on your period, you don't have to sanitize it each and every day. Each time you have to discard the blood. जब भी आप उसको discard करेंगे, just wash it off with mild soap, like very mild soap. Wash your hands. Keep your nails short. Look who's saying, but I have these short, so it is easy for me. Please cut your nails, please. Otherwise, you are going to hurt yourself, and it's not good. So now, when you will have the cup in your hand, you will actually know how soft it is because जब तक मेरे पास नहीं आया था, also I had a very different perception of this, but it is really soft. It bends easily ताकि ये easily insert हो जाए. Now the company जिसका मैं यूज़ कर रही हूँ, it is Plush and it is in the size small. Now इसके 3 sizes में आता है, which is XS, S and M. Now the question is how to select your size. So जो XS size है, it is for teens. जो S size है, it is for girls who are above 18 and 19, but they have not given birth through vagina. And जो M size है, it is for ladies who have given birth normally. So S size जो है, it will suit I guess every girl जो मेरी एज के हैं. So you are good to go for that, and teens can also use it. The main thing that comes is to find your comfort zone while folding it. Actually there are 3 ways, but उनमें से आपके ऊपर कौन सा सूट करता है that you have to find. So I'll tell मेरे ऊपर कौन सा सही बैठता है वे. So this is the cup. You have to fold it नीचे को and it becomes like this, you can see, and this is your vagina. You need to insert it backwards, okay, while you are in your starting position. So you have to insert it backwards, and अभी तो ये open हो गया है, but in your vagina suction is created. So what happens sometimes is that it does not open up. उसके लिए आपको क्या करना है, जब insert हो गया, you just have to rotate it हल्का सा and you will hear the sound product. So it opens up and you know it's inserted properly. This is the first way to do this, and the other one is you just have to fold it ऐसे and make a C like this. But what I find is, मैंने try नहीं किया because ये area बहुत ज़्यादा हो जाता है, so I think it will be difficult. But again, it's on your comfort level, आप कर सकते हैं अगर. And the other one is you have to fold it this way, and जो पहला वाला method था उसी way में, and you can see this, इसका भी area छोटा हो जाता है, and then you can easily insert it this way again. इसमें open up होने की problem आ सकती है, so for me the first one works the best. Now when you are inserting it, first of all you have to be really calm, otherwise your vaginal walls वो you know बिल्कुल contract हुई होंगी and easily insert नहीं होगा. Also you do not need a lubrication, water will work, and even when you are on your periods तो वो automatically lubricated होता है, तो वो easily insert हो जाएगा. But if you are getting some issue, you can use a lube and it can help. I don't know if it does or not. I mean it will, but I don't know if it is safe or not. So you can use water, and the most important thing to remember is, जो लड़कियाँ भूल जाती हैं, when you are on your periods, जो आपकी vagina की walls हैं, जो आपका vagina है, वो हल्का सा open up होता है. So it is easy for the cup to get inserted rather than on the normal days, so you won't face any issues. Now इसका जो ऊपर वाला rim है, you can see it is double walled, and ये curve इस way से है that it is not actually going to hurt you. Now to know if it is inserted properly and leakage होगी कि नहीं, and it is going to cause you pain or not, is when you start walking, you should not feel the cup. If you are feeling the cup, it means you have placed it in the wrong way. It is important कि आप cup को जब place करें, ये इस तरह से backward को जाए, and ये हल्की सी यहाँ पर रहेगी point out, ताकि आप easily इसको निकाल सकें. Now coming to the other question, how come there is no leakage with the cup? Now when the cup is in your vagina, when it is there, it creates a suction, and वो जो सक्शन होता है वो ब्लड को अंदर ही रखता है कप के. एंड अभी तक मैं 2 months इसको कॉन्टिन्यूस यूज़ कर चुकी हूँ. देयर हैज़ बीन एब्सोल्युटली नो लीकेज व्हाटसोएवर, लाइक 0.1% लीकेज तक नहीं हुई. आई जस्ट हैव टू रियलाइज़ कि कब वो बहुत हैवी फील हो रहा है एंड हैव टू टेक इट आउट. ऑल्सो यहाँ पर mls लिखे हुए हैं. सो आई गेस इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि आपको अपनी बॉडी का पता लगता है, ओके हाउ मच ब्लड एक्चुअली कम्स आउट, बिकॉज पैड्स में इट जस्ट एब्जॉर्ब्स ऑल द ब्लड एंड यू हैव नो आइडिया अबाउट इट. आई हैव हेवी थाइज, so whenever I use pads and all, and during periods and especially during summers, बहुत ज़्यादा rashes पड़ जाते हैं in my inner thighs, and this cup is saving me from all of it. I don't have to worry about any of that. Now there are many companies जिनके menstrual cups you can go ahead and try. So I won't say that cup is for everyone. Vaginas are different, and you don't know how comfortable you will be with it, but I guess it is worth a try. Coming out to how you actually take out this cup. Now when it is in your vagina, I guess this is a bit tricky part, because इसमें I am also learning at the moment. First of all, आपके nails छोटे होने चाहिए. Second, you just can't take it out with this thing. You just can't. Don't do that. You are going to hurt yourself. So please, what you have to do is, जिस way से आपने उसको fold किया था, not the exact way, but you have to push it to break the suction. And again, जब suction break होगा, you will know it. Once it is in this way, and जैसी आवाज़ आई, you just have to fold and take it out. It will come out very easily because जो आपका natural lubricant है वो already होगा, so it is not going to cause any pain. Now that this water has started to boil, I'll just switch off the gas, and then I'll insert the cup, put it for around 2 to 3 minutes and take it out. Okay, so now that the cup is sanitized, I have washed my hands. I'll just put the cup inside and take a bath to get started with the day. So it took me hardly 1 minute to insert the cup, and now I'll be going and taking the bath. Also, जो एक common question मेरे mind में pop up हुआ, जो हो सकता है, I don't know, but can you pee and poop with the cup on? Yes, you can, because there are 3 different holes and they are not associated, and the cup goes in the vagina, so it does not cause any problem. And also another question that can come up, do you have to put a pad after you have put the cup? No, you don't have to. If you are doing it for the first time for your own safety, I'll recommend कि आप pad put कर लो या panty liners put कर लो, but you actually don't need it at all. So I'm done taking the bath, and I'll just get done with a bit of skincare because it has been long since I did that. I'm feeling super clean and बहुत टाइम बाद I did skincare, so I feel absolutely amazing. एक हफ्ता मैं बीमार थी and थोड़ा सा ठीक हुई तो I got my periods, though then I was completely down, and today yeah. So it's 3 PM and almost 4 hours हो चुकी है menstrual cup को. I won't be changing it until I guess 6-7 because third day है, so I know it won't have much to hold at the moment, but I'll take some questions. 7-8 क्वेश्चंस थे, सो आई विल टेक दोज, एंड आई गेस सबके माइंड में वही यूजुअली क्वेश्चंस होते हैं. सो द फर्स्ट वन इज, डज इट हर्ट? नो, इट डज नॉट हर्ट. वंस यू हैव इंसर्टेड इट प्रॉपरली, इट शुड नॉट हर्ट. अगर वो हर्ट कर रहा है, इट मीन्स यू हैव डन समथिंग रॉन्ग विद इट, यू हैव पुट इट इन द रॉन्ग वे. So you need to take it out and put it back yet again. So you can do any of your chores, you can work out, you can go for a swim, you can do anything and it won't budge, it won't move, it won't cause any leakage because of the suction जो अंदर create हो जाती है. The other thing is it reusable? Yes, it is reusable. आप जब उसको next month use करेंगे menstrual cup को, you just have to sterilize it yet again. I said sanitize कहीं बीच में, I remembered just right now. So you have to sterilize it yet again, and once your periods are over, you need to sterilize it and keep it back in the pouch जिसमें वो आता है. Another, is it good for teens? Like, can teens use this? So yes, teens can use it. You just have to take care of what size you are buying. So teens के लिए plush का जो है वो XS size आता है. Also, one of the most common query I guess some people will have is that will it get lost in your body? No, it won't, because your vagina is very narrow towards your body ऊपर जाके, so it is not going to get stuck. The only thing that you have to take care of is कि आप बिल्कुल सही साइज़ का कप ले रहे हैं, and it is very easy to take out, and once the suction is created, your cup is not actually going to budge until and unless you break that suction by pressing in the cup the way I showed you how to take it out. Yeah, I guess that has put all the questions at rest. ये सारे questions थे. Like, अगर आपने बीच में से कुछ भी skip किया है, so in the end I would like to give some tips if you are going to use the menstrual cup. First of all, please see कौन सी कंपनी का आप कप यूज़ कर रहे हैं. Please look at the reviews and order the cup according to your size. I have told you plush का जो size का है how to select, and I guess सब cups का usually यही होता है. So that is how you select the size. Second thing is, चाहे cup अभी न्यू आया है, you need to sterilize the cup and then only use it. after your cycle is done, you need to sterilize it yet again and keep it back in the pouch. Also, whenever you are using it, your hands must be totally clean. Please cut your nails. मेरे ये nails थोड़े से छोटे हैं, so I also have to cut them out, but I know how to do it, so it's not causing any issue. Because अगर आपके कट लग जाता है वजाइना के आसपास या उसके अंदर, so it can cause a lot of problem. And also the cups are not going to cause any infection या कुछ भी आपको, because cups do not have the material जो binding material होता है जो tampons and pads में होता है. So cups are free of that, so you don't have to worry. जो आपको infection हो सकती है, it can be just because you are using dirty hands while inserting the cup or while taking it out. So your hands should be clean in both the scenarios. Another thing was that you need to walk after you have inserted the cup and see if it is comfortable. If it is not comfortable, then it means आपने उसको किसी wrong way में place किया है. जो आपको discomfort आएगा वो सिर्फ आपके mindset के कारण आएगा, that you know there's a cup inside you. That's it. Otherwise it should not feel uncomfortable at all. अगर उसकी टिप थोड़ी सी लंबी है, कुछ menstrual cups होते हैं जिनकी टिप बहुत लंबी होती है and it just pokes out, so what you have to do is just cut it out and उसको छोटा सा आप रख लीजिए, because it actually serves not a huge purpose or something, it just makes holding easy. वरना आपको उस टिप के ऊपर से ही कप को पकड़ना होता है जब उसको निकालना है या अंदर डालना है. Just need to go ahead and try it. I guess there's no harm. It is 500 के around it will come, 500 to 1000 के बीच it will come, and you can just give it a try. Maybe it works for you and you're good to go for the lifetime. I hope you all found this video really helpful and useful. I tried to keep it raw and real ताकि आपको especially जब ऐसे hygiene से related and women health से related जो videos होती हैं, I guess it is much preferred कि वो ऐसे raw and real हों, ताकि you also guys don't feel uncomfortable कि अरे ये तो ऐसे लग रहा है कोई आके बस lecture दे रहा है. So I try to answer most of your questions. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and do hit the notification bell button, and I'll see you guys next time.